This is a 1999 2000 Mercury Yamaha 99 long shaft 4-stroke. So the customer was having issues with it. He said that it only running with the choke pulled. That's a carb issue. I checked the engine oil, that's okay. I checked the gear oil, that's okay. I put new spark plugs in it. And I went through the carb. I removed that little brass cap that goes on that carb right there so I could get access to that adjustment needle so I could tune the carb. But long story short, new spark plugs, and I went through the carb, tuned the carb, adjust the idle, and that's where we're at now. I'm using his tank and hose. I pumped out gas into a clear container and it looks and smells good. Some of the gas that was in the carb itself was like yellowish, but it's not the same color as what's in there. Yeah, give it some throttle. Reverse, neutral, forward, like neutral. You have an off right here and an off right there. That one's not working. That one is. So yeah, basically just carb needed to be gone through. Everything is working like it should now.